Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Peugeot 308. So from any screen on the phone, we just click here and we make sure, basically go into settings, into Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth switched on. We're watching out at the bottom. We go to telephone here. Search for devices. It's still searching over there. Almost there. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, and as I say, Peugeot's there. It's still thinking about it over here. I'll click on Peugeot again. Right, it's asking for a pin. I'm going to put 4 noughts in, click pair. So we now have to click the 4 noughts here and then click confirm. Barry's iPhone, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Peugeot connected. That's it, that's how you pair a mobile.